Hello, my name's Joey and I'm with HBYOB, Home Brew Your Own Beer. I wanted to show you how quickly you can get a yeast starter going using the proper starter. Honestly, all you need to do is get a sanitized Erlenmeyer flask, growler, any vessel, take the can, open it, pour the contents into there. Next, what I like to do is take water. You're gonna need 16 ounces. Another way to do it is just put it into the can. I also like to do it this way because it helps rinse the can out. Once I get about halfway full, I like to shake it up, get all the goodies out of the bottom. Now I did sanitize the top of this can. Once you got the can full, you're also going to pour that into. Next, I like to just kind of swirl it up, get everything incorporated, kind of aerate it a little bit. Sanitize the top of my yeast pack. Today we're going to use WLP002 by White Labs. Careful cutting the top off these. Massage the pack a little bit to get all the yeast in suspension. And then pour that into there. Once again, I like to stir that up. Add my stir bar. I always set my stopper upside down so it can stay good and sanitary. Put that on the top. Put in your airlock. Put it on your stir plate. It's just that easy. In under a couple minutes, you'll be ready for your brew day tomorrow.